Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. So, we have a wonder here again on this channel with a song called Don't Let the Neighborhood Hear. Don't let them hear. So, we'll need to set our capo here on the second fret, and we have 6 chords to learn here. So, let's start with the G here. So that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. Then A minor, open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. Next, E minor. So open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. We move on here to the D chord. So open D, second G, third B, and second E. Then we have the B minor. So we need to bar the second fret here from the A string and down. The rest will be 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. And the final chord will be C. So 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Yeah, so we need to look at the strumming pattern first, and that will be used for the first verse, and it's pretty easy. It's down, 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 up. We can use that for the A minor since that is the first chord in the verse here. So down, 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 up. Down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. Down, 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 up. All right, so let's start with the A minor. You're gonna do 3 times of this strumming here. Then 1 time on E minor. And then 3 times on D. And 1 time on B minor. And then back to A minor 3 times. And 1 time on E minor. And it ends with 3 times on D. Yeah, so just to repeat. A minor 3, E minor 1, D3, B minor 1, A minor 3, E minor 1, and D3. Yes, so that's the chord progression there. Now we are at the first pre-chorus there. I wish I had a motorbike. That is where we are in the lyrics. And now we need to learn another strumming pattern. So it will be divided into 2 parts. So the first part, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. That is the full strumming pattern. So the first part is down, down, up, down. So we can do that with the E minor. So down, down, up, down. Down, down, up, down. Down, down, up, down. That's the first part, and then we can go to the second part here, and we can actually change the chord to G, since that is how it's gonna play pretty soon here, and we can play the second part here. That will be down, down, up, down, 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 up. So down, down, up, down, 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 up. Down, down, up, down, 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 up. So if we connect these 2 parts, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. It will be like this. And we need to also change the chord there. So I'm gonna play pretty slow for you so you can be able to follow. So we're gonna switch from E minor to G. Right, so down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down. Okay, so now we have this pre-chorus. It will be E minor, C. You're gonna play the first part like we just played for the E minor, the second part for the G, and then you're gonna play a full strumming round of C. So if you think this E minor, G, C as one round, you will play that for 2 rounds, and then after these 2 rounds, you will end with just 1 downstroke on D. So E minor, G, C, E minor, G, C, and 1 down on D. We will play that slow, and then we will speed up to a standard tempo. So let's go. Yeah, so first part E minor, second part G, and then full strumming for C, and then again same there for a second round, and then 1 down on D. In standard tempo it sounds like this. After this D comes a break there, it leads up to the chorus there. So the chorus will be another strumming pattern here. That is the third and last strumming pattern for this tutorial here. So we can look at that pretty soon, but first let's go over the chords. It will be C to D to E minor and to D. So that will be 1 chord progression round. If you think that as 1, you will do that for 4 rounds. So on the D chords here, we have C, D, E minor, D. So it goes back to D after each chord. So on the D chords, you're only gonna play 1 down. So we have the strumming pattern that will be played for just the C and the E minor. And this strumming pattern will be up, up, down, 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 up, down. Up, up, down, 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 up, down. Up, up, down, 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 up, down. So slowly, if we take C for instance, that is the first chord in the chorus. And it will be like this. Up, up, down, 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 up, down. Up, up, down, 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 up, down. So that will be played for C and for E minor. So you're gonna play up, up, down, 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 up, down, and then just 1 down on D. And then again on E minor, up, up, down, 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 up, down, and 1 down on D. And then it goes back again to C. You're gonna play that for 4 rounds, like I said. So I'm gonna play a couple of rounds for slow, and then I'm gonna play a couple of rounds for standard tempo. So let's go. And standard. Yeah, so 4 rounds of C, D, E minor, and D. And then we have this post-chorus in the lyrics, am I not good enough to be loved by you? So there you're gonna play the chords C, D, E minor, and G. You're gonna play that for 2 rounds, C, D, E minor, and G, and only 1 down for each chord. So and again, C, D, E minor, and G. And after this comes an instrumental part, and that will be strumming pattern like we learned in the first verse, down, 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 up. So you're gonna play this strumming round 2 times for G, 2 times for C, and again 2 times for G and 2 times for C. So C, 2, 1 on G, 2, C, 2, and then starts the second verse. So the second verse here will be only 1 down on each chord, again like we learned here on the first verse, so that it will be the same there. And the same goes for the second pre-chorus, the same as the first pre-chorus, and even the second chorus the same there, and also the second post-chorus. So nothing new here. You will play the same here for verse, pre-chorus, chorus, and post-chorus there. And even this instrumental play will be played almost in the same way there. It will play 1 down for C, 1 down for D, 1 down for G, so another order there, and 1 down for E minor, and again 1 down for C, 1 down for G, and 1 down for D. So 1 down for each chord, C, D, G, E minor, C, G, D. Yeah. Then comes the bridge part here, and the lyrics, you gave me all of the dark that I got, so that is where we are in the song. So you will play only 1 down even there for each chord, and the chords will be as follows: C, then E minor, then A minor, then C again, E minor, and A minor. So 2 rounds of C, E minor, and A minor. And then this beautiful song ends with this outro here. You could say that it's only 1 down on each chord, but the real thing here is there's actually a picking here going on from this chords there, but the easiest way is just to make 1 downstroke for each chord, because it's very hard to teach out how you do this one. It's more by feel, so you can listen to the song and you can pick if you want from the following chords that I'm gonna show you right now, and it will be perfectly fine. Or you can just choose to make 1 downstroke for each chord. But the chords will be G, C, G, C, B minor, A minor, and E minor. So yeah, that pretty much covers this nice song from A Wonder, Don't Let the Neighborhood Hear You, or Hear. So that was my gift to you guys, and could you give back to me by clicking the thumb up if you liked this tutorial? So easy for you and means the world to me. So yeah, thank you for listening, and practice this one. See you soon, guys, and don't forget, play tuned.